Welcome, this is Vijay Philip from MES Adi Krantivir Vasudev Belavanth Fadke Vidyalaya English Medium New Panvel. In this video, we are going to learn about types of sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It expresses a complete thought or idea. A sentence must have a subject and verb. Now, let's see what are the types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now, let's see what is declarative sentence. It is also known as assertive sentence. It is a statement that tells us something and it ends with a full stop. See the examples. Revati was a student of music. See, this is a statement and this statement tells us something. What it tells? Revati was a student of music. And the first letter, that R is also starting from start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Look at the second image. The flowers were big and brightly colored. Okay, now you understood the declarative sentence, or this is also known as assertive sentence. Let's see the second case, that is interrogative sentence. It is used to ask questions and it ends with a question mark. See the example. Wasn't Revati a student of music? Are we going to the beach today? So when we ask questions, that is interrogative questions sentence. So for example, if you wanted to identify whether the sentence is interrogative or assertive, how can you understand? Just see that the sentence ends with a full stop or with a question mark. If the sentence ends with a question mark, that is interrogative. That is interrogative sentence. Okay. Now let's see another example. Do plants have ears? Question mark. This is yes or no type question. Then also it is interrogative. WH question. How can we doubt her? Or even how are you? This is also interrogative sentence. Now the third case is imperative sentence. It gives command or asks for request. It tells someone to do something. Otherwise, we can say it can be a command or a request. It also ends with a full stop. Please believe me. So this is an imperative sentence. But I told you that assertive sentence also ends with a full stop, and even imperative is also ends with a full stop. Then how can you identify the sentence is assertive or declarative? Yeah, it is imperative sentence. So in imperative sentence, there will be no subject, but declarative sentence, subject will be there. Okay, see, look at another example. Excuse me. See, here also there is no subject, so that is imperative sentence. Sit straight. Again, there is no subject, so this is a imperative sentence. Okay, children. So the last one is exclamatory sentence. It is used to express strong emotions or feelings. It ends with an exclamation mark. Look at the image. What a cute baby she is. Okay, or what a cute baby. It ends with an exclamation mark. So it is exclamatory sentence. What a gorgeous view! Exclamation mark. So this is exclamatory sentence. So I hope everybody understood. And the question will be like this. Identify the type of sentence. So again I will tell you. Revdi was a student of music. Here subject is Revdi. And then after that verb is also there. And the sentence is ending with a full stop. So that is why it is a assertive sentence or a declarative sentence. Next question was, wasn't Revdi a student of music? Wasn't Revdi a student of music? You know that this is a question. So that is why it is interrogative sentence. Okay. Then another one, please believe me. So you understood this is a request. So that is why even suggestions are also imperative sentence. Okay, how can you identify imperative sentence? There will be no subject. Examples. Again, let's watch the film. Let's. So there is no subject. Excuse me. Sit straight. Close the door. Give me a glass of water. All these are the examples of imperative sentence. Okay, exclamatory sentence. What a gorgeous view. But it ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, always remember that assertive or declarative sentence and imperative sentence, the sentence ends with a full stop, and interrogative sentence, the sentence ends with a question mark, and exclamatory sentence, the sentence ends with a exclamation mark. Now I hope everybody understood. Thank you, students.